Okay, guys, we're going to make a basket, and I'm going to show you how I do it. I'm going to take a bunch of this wrapping paper. I'm not sure if it's Dollar Tree or not, but we're going to take, because there's not much left on here. Just going to crunch it up, but leave it with the good side showing. I'm just going to fill this basket. This is a basket that I've had for years. Don't even know where it came from. I'll be honest. Go. Just make sure it's showing. I mean, you could use tissue paper or anything, but anyway, you see the Santa belt. Just so happens my in-laws really love this Santa look of just the belt or just boots or just the fur in the belt kind of thing. So I separated out all my stuff that I'm going to use. This I showed you last year. It's a Dollar Tree chocolate bar. Just a bunch of candy, some marshmallows, and peppermints. And then I have a little bag in here. This is sort of my own creation, where when you're done eating the candy in the jar, you have a little tree with some snow and a figurine of your choice in there. I found these cranberry drinks and Perry drink cider. Elf on the Shelf hot cocoa mix. And for their little drinks, I bought these. I think we're gonna reposition this. I bought these. They're into these type of cups, wine glasses, whatever you want to call them. So we're gonna put them right there. I have this I've had the most trouble with this camera. But yeah, there you go. I'll come back and show you how I wrap it up after I do a few others. Okay, I also wanted you to know, once you get your basket situated, you can put everything together with glue dots. I'm going to show you on this one. This is just a box of chocolates and a couple of these Dollar Tree hot cocoa balls. You just put in hot water or hot milk. And somebody on YouTube was showing me, did a video about how to use these glue dots this way. Which is just line them up on what you want them on. However many you need. Because I'm going to go all the way from the top to the bottom on this. Then you're just pressing them down real good so that little candy cane will hold on. Then you just peel the backing off. There you go. And then stick that down. I put it in between so it'll get a little extra hold from that. And then I'm going to show you some of my embellishments also. These, and these ones have snowmen and reindeer as well, different reindeer. At the end, when I wrap everything up, he sells these for $1.25. They stick in the ground. Again, I have in-laws who love this. So I thought this was cute. It's two different things on two different sides, but my in-laws are... They like the gingerbread. But on this side, I found at Dollar General, I put glue dots across the bottom. And then we're going to put some glue on the side of this. Generous, generous, generous. This is more something I would put inside. But I'm going to show you nonetheless. Glue dots help it stay. Then when it opens, this is a joke. It's a bag of coal, but they're very good chocolates. So we have 2 little bags of coal in there. I just thought that was just a super cute idea. It's a joke between me and my family members. Found this at Dollar Tree. It has a hook to hold the stocking. We're just going to get rid of the hook. Or, well, at least for now, we're going to fold it up. See if we can get it off. You just want it to sit flat without the hook hanging over the edge. So, okay. So you got to put a battery in there, which I will do. But for now, I'll continue with this because I don't have batteries here. So, but what I will do is take this off. So when we glue Santa, he's above that. We want Santa sort of at the bottom to help him stand up and not blow over. Okay. And we're going to give him some glue to glue him in place. But then we're also going to zip tie him. So, because he's kind of heavy. But we want him to weigh this thing down. Yeah, I would use at least 2 of these. So I would just get him kind of high and low, tied around. Good. So this is our object here, is that he will hold this down. And then you put the thing in and put him in the ground if you want, because he does light up. Okay. But anyway, I'm going to slide this down too. I wanted to. Okay. So again, we're going to glue this on the cane that way. And I'm taking this down because I want the hook of the cane to actually show. Now for this, guys, I think I told you my glue guns broke, and I also am completely out of Gorilla Glue. So I'm just going to show you the idea. And I just want to get this in such a place that this will still work. Yes, it does. If you're going to put this outside, for sure I would E6000 this. Let it dry overnight. And for sure use zip ties. Santa's staying pretty good there, so that's a good thing. And see if this is holding. Yeah, okay. So there you go. There's your little North Pole mailbox. Working. Working mailbox. Yeah, and this. And I got to light it up. But anyway, I thought that was an adorable idea. So, we'll stop making a mess with that. I just took a mix, some chocolate chip cookie mix, some Nutter Butter stuff. We're gonna put this down in the foot part. This is hazelnut cream with cocoa, and I thought I could throw some M&Ms in there. So we'll put that in there. Obviously, some hot cocoa. In our little jar. And there you go. I got big bows here, guys. You could do this with coffee. A little chocolate for your coffee. Little marshmallows, not just hot chocolate. And just take a little bow. The ones already made from Dollar Tree are nice. You could stick that on the candy cane, wrap it up in cellophane. The Dollar Tree has these basket bags. I have them here in white and red. They have, of course, obviously, stickers everywhere. They also have these cookie tray bags, too, in a pack. Same thing. And, yeah, you know they have all kinds of little goodie bags. They also have these, which are 2 boxes for your little ideas. In fact, I'm going to try this real quick and see how this looks. Some of my ideas. because I'm not sure how big these are. Like, I kind of pick them by print, patterns either that I like or I know other people will like. They come with cute little tags, little cookies on them. And I'm not sure. Yeah, let's see how big they are. Okay. Yeah. Okay, that's kind of nice. But you could not just do cookies or a pack of cookies. You could do the chocolate things, guys, that I've shown you. Put them in there. Put a little shred on the bottom. Do it like this. Put yourself a little bag of coffee in the middle. Yeah. Like I said, put some shreds, some tissue paper, some paper. And that makes something nice and cute. You know what I mean? Put some candy canes up in there or little packs of marshmallows. It's a cute little idea. So, yep. Now I'm going to get to the rest of the packaging ideas for you guys. I'm going to do in the clear basket bag from Dollar Tree. And of course, I showed you on my video making bows. Now you could also use, guys, I have all kinds of Dollar Tree glitter sprigs here. You could use on the top of them instead of a bow. You know, I want to do the clear and I'm going to embellish it with some of these things, the deer and stuff like that. But anyway, here's your Dollar Tree basket bags. And there is a little wee bit of a trick. Let's see if I can find the right, okay. So obviously get it open first. Particularly if they're heavy. I separate them at the bottom as much as I can. Put the seam in the middle, open it up. Okay? Like that. Especially with something this big. Okay? We're going to pop that in there. Just when you get her down, make sure your seam's in the middle on the bottom. You guys can also easily, very, very easily shrink wrap this, I think. I've never done it because I prefer this look. It's a nice big bow. To try to gather it up as much as you can at the top. Here's the tie. Here's the ties. They're nice and big. But guys, I've used hair things, scrunchies, bows. I've made bows out of towels for, you know, like food gifts. All kinds of stuff. Y'all see me make the angel out of towels. And just pull it through, separate it out, get yourself a nice fluffy top on there. You can straighten it out if you want. And I'm just making sure I got it on the right side for y'all to see. And then, again, take a Dollar Tree bow, keep it simple, tie it up. And for this, I have a little Cheers bottle. So it just says Cheers on the little Dollar Tree thing. I glued it to a pipe cleaner, shoved it through the bow, and then we're going to take this bow, tie it around. Now, I'm going to decorate this up. I just wanted to show you the ideas because I know, obviously know what they like, but this is the option for this that I'm just going to put all over the plastic. So, anyway, there you go. Hope you like. Please like, subscribe, and share. Comment down below, and I will see you on my next video.